My family loves celebrating the holidays in a big way. Last year, we started our own family tradition by starting to collect Lemax holiday houses. I love that as a family, we can pick out a new house each year to build our own unique village. Lemax is a family-run company rich in tradition since 1990. As a family-run company, I know they put a lot of love and thought into the creation of every piece so that it brings families like mine happiness. Today, I'm going to be sharing creative ways that you can decorate with Lemax holiday facades. Facades are so versatile. You can hang them on the wall. You can also set them on a flat surface. And they create a three-dimensional village. They're pretty cool, and I'm excited to share with you 3 unique ways that you can decorate with them. Let's get started at the fireplace. The mantel is one of my favorite places to decorate. You can go as big or as small as you want. But here are a few tips to give you the perfect village with the facades. So get started by adding some snow to your fireplace, and then create snowy levels. These can be mountains or hills, but what I like to use is styrofoam pieces. Actually shave off the edges of your styrofoam so it's no longer smooth, and that actually looks like snow. We're gonna stack those in the center of our fireplace, and then we're gonna add our winter garden lane facade as our centerpiece. I love this piece, and it's exclusive to my favorite craft store, Michael's Stores. And then I'm gonna work from the outside in, adding some of my favorite pieces: Hansel and Gretel's Sweet Shop, Christmas World, mulled wine and hot cider, and Christmas crafts. These are gonna be my accent pieces to my village. And then next to the winter garden lane, I'm going to put the Beersmith Row facade and the Lane's Arts and Crafts facade. This creates the perfect village. For our last steps, we're gonna add in some of the accessories and then fill it in with faux snow. I don't know about you, but this looks like a winter wonderland. I love how they light up and illuminate all the details. You can easily turn them off and on with the switch on the side. Remember, you can also hang them up. All right, next up, it's time to shake the snow globe and see what's revealed. Let's go for our next DIY setup. I grew up loving snow globes. You get to shake them and see the magic. So I decided I'm gonna create my very own life-size snow globe, and inside my snow globe is going to be a Lemax village. Okay, so there's a couple steps to this DIY, but I promise they're really easy. You wanna pick a wall. Now, if you wanna get really into the DIY, go ahead and cover your wall with white craft paper. That's step 1. Use a sofa table. You can add a tablecloth to it if you want. Then find a long rectangular box. This can be a shipping box or a gift box, but make sure it's sturdy. Wrap it with holiday paper, and that's gonna be the base of our snow globe. Now our next step is gonna be to add a little glitter and fun. So because we covered our wall with white craft paper, we can actually spray on some silver metallic spray and then add some sparkle to it with glitter. So I've got an iridescent hula hoop that looks like glass, but if you don't have one, you can always wrap it in ribbon. You either wanna pull your hula hoop apart or cut it apart carefully. We're gonna use that to create the globe of our snow globe. Use painter's tape to attach it to the wall and then wedge it behind your box. The Dasher's Advent Stable and the House on the Hill, along with Hansel and Gretel's Sweet Shop and Christmas crafts, make for the perfect snow globe setting. All right, for our last winter wonderland touch, of course, every snow globe needs snow. This might be my favorite holiday DIY ever. It looks like a magical winter wonderland. And for our third setup, we're having a dinner party. Dinner parties are one of my favorite things to do at the holidays, and why not surprise your guests with a beautiful buffet table? Doesn't have to be for food. It can also be to set up plates, napkins, and cups and create your own village with the facades. So for this one, I actually took a sleigh that I got at the craft store, and that was my staple piece to start setting up. I added the Dasher Advent Stable on top of it, and let me tell you, this piece is so cool. It has individual doors for each day of Advent that open up, and there's a surprise. And at the very end, you get to see Santa on the 25th day. Talk about a fun piece for your family and for your guests to explore. Just grab that little key and open up each little door. I continued creating my village with the House on the Hill. Remember that you can elevate your design. Think about using things like stumps to give it some dimension and really create that true Christmas village feel. Don't forget to add your plates, your napkins, your cups, And then add in a few of the smaller pieces and accessories to create the perfect village. Whether you're a longtime collector or just starting your collection, collecting Lemax houses every year with your family really is special. You can see the full collection of facades, as well as other holiday and year-round collections at lemaxcollection.com. Don't forget to follow Lemax on social media so that you can get more inspiration and find out about the new releases each year. You can shop Lemax facades and houses at my favorite craft store, Michael's Stores, as well as Ace Hardware, Menards, and online stores such as eHobby Tools and Gift Spice. Happy holidays!